Project PalermoForce Web Vulnerability Scanner. Author Melissa De Leon. GitHub username Melissa De Leon X. EDX username primavita19@gmail.com. Location Palermo, Italy. Date of recording December 19, 2024. Hello world, my name is Melissa De Leon and this is my CS50 Python final project PalermoForce. PalermoForce is a web vulnerability scanner inspired by tools like Burp Suite, Nmap, and Zap. PalermoForce is designed for bug hunting, penetration testing, and bug bounty programs. Let me give you a quick overview of PalermoForce core features. Sitemap generation. This feature crawls a website and creates a map of its structure, providing a detailed overview for deeper analysis. Proxy handling. This allows users to manage proxy settings for simulating attacks or testing hidden sites. Intruder testing. In this feature, we inject custom payloads to identify vulnerabilities in web applications. Port scanner. It detects open ports that could potentially be exploited. PalermoForce is still in its first iteration, but it's just a start. Future versions will have a fully integrated desktop app with enhanced features and improved usability. Again, this is Melissa De Leon, and this is CS50 Python.